yuck.
Is the engine on or off?
Engine is on.
Turn it off so we don't waste gas. Will you turn it off so we don't waste gas?
There, it's off.
You turned it off so we don't waste gas. Smells very good. This one probably doesn't have tire scrubbers then,
You don't think so?
because I don't see them. I can't smell the soap.
A little bit.
I can't. I can't smell the soap.
Nope, washed it off. We're gonna have
I
a
can
very
smell it a
happy
little bit.
truck.
I smell it a little bit.
Me too.